Do you dream of being at the forefront of technology to build systems that scale the world's greatest applications powered by artificial intelligence? Welcome to the ultimate DevOps journey for 2025, powered by the latest AI tools and cutting-edge technology innovations. Phase 1. Start with DevOps fundamentals. Every journey begins with a single step. As a beginner, you start with the building blocks, mastering version control systems like Git, understanding CI/CD pipelines with tools like Jenkins, and learning Linux. Explore the most popular cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, where your DevOps journey will take shape. Accelerate your learning with AI-powered tools, GitHub Copilot for coding assistance, Tab9 for intelligent code completion, AI-powered tutorials like Codecademy or Coursera's machine learning modules to enhance foundational skills. Certify yourself. Start with GitLab Certified Associate, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, Linux Foundation Certified IT Associate or LFCA. Next, you move into Phase 2. As you level up, hands-on experience is key. Learn to write infrastructure as code with Terraform, Azure Resource Manager, ARM, and AWS's CloudFormation, and create your own Docker containers. Master the art of CI/CD pipelines. Build, test, and deploy with precision. Keep an eye on your systems with tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and ElkStack. Integrate AI to streamline workflows and gain insights. AIOps platforms like Dynatrace and Moogsoft for automated incident detection and resolution. Prometheus-compatible AI agents for anomaly detection. Terraform Assist AI for writing optimized infrastructure code. Earn badges of excellence, Docker Certified Associate, HashiCorp Certified Terraform Associate, Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals. Phase 3. Develop advanced DevOps skills. Now you're an architect in the making. Understand Kubernetes clusters, orchestrate containers, and manage hybrid environments with tools like Anthos. Trace and optimize system performance with Jaeger. Build resilience with distributed tracing and automate incident management. Security becomes paramount. Integrate tools like Sneak and HashiCorp Vault into your pipelines. Integrate DevSecOps seamlessly into your workflows. Leverage AI to refine your DevOps architecture. Kubeflow for deploying machine learning workflows on Kubernetes. AI-driven security tools like Lacework and Orca Security. AI assistants like Harness for intelligent CI/CD pipeline recommendations. Stand out with Certified Kubernetes Administrator, AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, and Google Professional Cloud DevOps Engineer. Phase 4. Advance your career to become a DevOps expert. You've made it to the top. Design and implement enterprise-grade architectures. Explore microservices and serverless technologies like AWS Lambda and Azure Functions. Automate the future with GitOps tools like Argo CD. Embrace AI to predict and solve problems before they arise. Lead the way in security and compliance. Automate audits and implement advanced governance. Go beyond with cutting-edge AI tools. ChatGPT and OpenAI Codex for architecting solutions and generating scripts. AI-based cost optimization tools like CloudHealth by VMware. Advanced incident management tools like PagerDuty Intelligent AI Ops. Next, prove your mastery with Certified Kubernetes Application Developer, HashiCorp Certified Vault Associate, advanced cloud certifications like AWS Solutions Architect and Azure DevOps Expert. Now, you will move to the top of your DevOps journey. Architecting a DevOps environment is where strategy meets execution. Whether it's on-premises, hybrid, or public cloud, here's how you can set it up. Start with your infrastructure. Set up servers, configure network connectivity, and establish storage solutions. Use tools like Puppet, Ansible, or Chef for configuration management. Implement monitoring with Prometheus, and secure your environment with Vault for secrets management. Augment your on-premises setup with AI-powered observability tools like Datadog AI. In hybrid environments, integrate on-prem systems with the cloud using solutions like Anthos, Azure Arc, or AWS Outposts. Ensure seamless connectivity through VPNs or dedicated lines, and automate deployments with tools like Terraform across both environments. Use AIOps platforms like Splunk Observability Cloud to manage hybrid infrastructure intelligently. Leverage cloud-native services, Kubernetes with managed solutions like EKS, AKS, or GKE. Build serverless applications using AWS Lambda or Azure functions. Use GitOps tools like Argo CD for continuous deployment. Harness AI-powered tools like AWS SageMaker for cloud-based machine learning integration. Plan for scalability and high availability by designing fault-tolerant systems. Implement strong security policies and compliance frameworks to meet industry standards. Monitor and optimize resource usage to manage costs effectively. Start your journey today and become the engineer every company needs in 2025. Visit AICareerGuru.com for cutting-edge AI-powered training, expert career mentoring, academic project guidance, and exciting internship opportunities. Subscribe now to stay at the forefront of the AI revolution as it unfolds. Remember to watch cutting-edge videos on this channel that you won't find anywhere else.